Machine installation video UVA3. Installation steps. The first step. UVA3 installation. Connect the power supply. Observe whether the machine's initialization actions are normal. Click the left button to move carriage out of capping station. Disconnect the power supply. Open the ink cartridge cover. Add the corresponding ink according to the color label. Close the ink cartridge cover. Loosen the 4 screws on the carriage cover. Remove this screw. Take off the carriage cover. Remove the data cable bag. Connect the printhead according to the position marked on the label. Put the printhead into the corresponding fixed position. Fix with 3 screws. Open the ink damper packaging bag. Use a syringe to suck ink into the ink damper. Insert into the corresponding position. Install the ink damper according to the above method. The second step. Software installation. Open folder. Double-click the application. Please select the language for installation. Follow the on-screen instructions. Select installation location. Follow the on-screen instructions. Open the RN folder. Double-click the RN application. Click OK. Click Sys setting. Software installation completed. The third step. Machine adjustment. Click to load ink. Click to clean. Printhead cleaning. Print the nozzle test. Observe the test strip. Judge the status of the printhead. Vertical calibration. Normal, top and bottom vertical lines completely overlap. Incorrect, the bottom vertical line is offset to the right. Loosen the 4 screws next to the printhead. Turn the adjustment knob clockwise to the appropriate position. Fix the 4 screws next to the printhead. Incorrect, the bottom vertical line is offset to the left. Loosen the 4 screws next to the printhead. Turn the adjustment knob counterclockwise to the appropriate position. Fix the 4 screws next to the printhead. Step calibration. Normal, the horizontal lines corresponding to the 0 reference point perfectly overlap. Incorrect, the horizontal lines corresponding to the -1 reference point overlap. Enter -1 and click Calculate. Incorrect, the horizontal lines corresponding to the 1 reference point overlap. Enter 1 and click Calculate. Bidirectional calibration. Normal, the 0 reference point perfectly overlaps. Incorrect, the -1 reference point overlaps. Enter -1 and click Calculate. Incorrect, the +1 reference point overlaps. Enter -1 and click Calculate. Calibration completed. Install the carriage cover plate. Fix the screws on the cover plate. UVA3 installation completed.